We'd like to introduce you to an Owens Corning Roofing Preferred Contractor. Preferred contractors are part of a select group of roofing professionals who have the credentials to prove it and have earned our title, so let us earn your trust. Owens Corning is the most trusted and recognized brand in roofing. So you can expect that when you choose Owens Corning roofing materials, you're getting high-quality products that will perform. And when you're looking for the right contractor to install your roof, look to an Owens Corning Roofing Preferred Contractor. Becoming a part of the network is a badge of honor. A contractor must carry at least $1 million in general liability insurance. Next, they must hold the licenses and insurance required by local, state, and federal law. And finally, they've been screened for financial stability and customer service. Because of these high standards and strict requirements, Owens Corning Roofing Preferred Contractors can offer the Preferred Protection Limited Warranty. Your home is a valuable asset, so trust your investment to an Owens Corning Roofing Preferred Contractor today.